Welcome to another video of Steno Stationery. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most ancient stationery equipment that people use to create art. Charcoal is one of the oldest drawing media and is commonly used by artists even today, in stick or compressed powder form. The sticks are usually made from twigs of willow which are subjected to a slow burning process that reduces the wood to carbon. Because of the softness of its drawing edge, charcoal tends to favor broad, vigorous draftsmanship, with an emphasis on mass and movement rather than on linear precision. Charcoal is often used by painters making preparatory drawings on the canvas, before adding pigment. This is because it is easily overpainted without affecting the color or tone of the overlaid paint. Charcoal's major advantage as a media of graphic art is its versatility. It can be used to produce either a soft or strong quality of line, which can be erased without difficulty, or it can be dragged across the paper to produce different tonal areas, texture, and shading. However, drawings made with charcoal on paper are impermanent unless sprayed with a fixative, normally a resin dissolved in alcohol. Artists continue to employ this medium because of its versatile ability to capture both gestures and emotions with an intuitive mixture of the soft and the dark. If you're an art fanatic, I am sure you enjoyed this video, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Steno Stationery. Make sure you switch on the notification button to know about things that you use daily but have no idea where and when it came from.